Now we look at example 4. Given secant A is equal to 5 over 4 and sin B is equal to negative 12 over 13, where A and B lie in the same quadrant. So this is the keyword, same quadrant. So find the exact value of sine 2A plus tangent B and sine A plus B. So for secant A, secant A is equals to 5 over 4. So secant A, I can change, refer to the third alphabet. This is C. So 1 over cos A is equals to 5 over 4. So it means that cos A is equals to 4 over 5. So here is cos A. Cos A is 4 over 5. And sin B is equals to negative 12 over 13. So for cos to become positive, it can be in quadrant 1 or quadrant number 4. For sine to become negative, it can be in quadrant 3 and quadrant number 4. So you can see here where A and B lie in the same quadrant. So if they are lie in the same quadrant, means that A will be in quadrant number 4, B also in quadrant number 4. They are lie at the same quadrant. So next, what I have to do is I will draw the triangle. One is for A, another one is for B in quadrant number 4. In quadrant number 4, only cos will positive. So this is A. Let's refer to A. So A, cos A is equal to 4 over 5. So where for cos, here is adjacent over hypotenuse. Means that our adjacent is 4. So here is 4. Hypotenuse is 5. So automatically our opposite is 3. Now we move on to B. So here is B. Sin B is negative 12 over 13. So means that opposite is 12. Hypotenuse is 13. So opposite is 12. Hypotenuse is 13. So here is 5. 5, 12 and 13. Now we can start to answer the question. Let's say question A. Sine 2A plus tangent B. So sine 2A, we can change to 2 sine A cos A. 2 sine A. 2 sine A cos A plus tangent B. So here 2A, we refer to the angle of A. A is sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Remember, this is in quadrant number 4. So in quadrant number 4, only cos will positive. So sine A will become negative. Opposite is 3. Hypotenuse is 5. Negative 3 over 5. Multiply by cos A. So cos adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent is 4. Hypotenuse is 5. Why cos is positive? Because A is located in quadrant number 4. Plus tangent B. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So against B is in quadrant number 4. Tangent will become negative. So opposite 12. Adjacent is 5. So by simplify, here is 2 times negative 3 over 5 times 4 over 5. So here I should have negative 24 over 25. Plus minus is minus 12 over 5. So the answer will be negative 24 over 25 minus 12 over 5. So here the answer is negative 84 over 25. So this is the answer for A. Now we move on to B. Sine A plus B also equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So again, sine A, we refer to A, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So here is negative 3 over 5 because of quadrant number 4. Therefore, we have a negative cos B. So we refer to B, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse 5 over 13 without negative because B is in quadrant number 4 plus cos A. So cos A adjacent over hypotenuse. Again, this is positive because of quadrant number 4. Finally, sine B. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Since it's quadrant number 4, so it's negative 12 over 13. So we try to simplify. Negative 3 over 5 multiplied by 5 over 13. So here we should have negative 3 over 13 plus, so by using this by using your calculator, 4 over 5 multiplied by negative 12 over 13. So here we should have negative 48 over 65. Finally, the answer negative 3 over 13 plus negative 48 over 65. So here the answer is negative 63 over 65. So here is the answer for question B.